3 colourful birds. Animal profiles. Classification. Birds. Read these 3 profiles about birds. The fact profiles on these birds will give you ideas for your writing. This is a toucan. They are birds. They have black and white feathers. Toucans come in different sizes, but many are around 50 centimeters tall. Big toucans weigh about 1 kilogram. They have a big, long, sharp, colorful beak, but it is light in weight. They have black tail feathers and short legs. They have wings. Toucans live in the forests and jungles of Central and South America. Most of their diet is fruit and insects. Toucans have a large beak to take fruit on tree branches that are too small to hold their weight. Their beak looks heavy but are light. Toucans live in small families. Toucans live around 20 years. There are no wild toucans in Hong Kong. This is a parrot. They are birds. They have many colors on their feathers. Parrots come in many different sizes, but many are around 50 centimeters tall. They weigh about 1 kilogram. They have a short, sharp beak. They have 2 short legs and a light body. They have wings. Parrots live in forests and jungles in warm places around the world. They eat fruit and insects. Parrots can talk like humans. They can live up to 80 years because they are healthy, strong birds. Parrots can count numbers and are very clever. Also, parrots can fly. Parrots live around 70 years. There are no native parrots in Hong Kong, but parrots can be found in the wild because they came from pets. This is a flamingo. They are large birds. They have pink feathers. They are around 140 centimeters tall. They weigh about 3 kilograms. They have a long black useful beak. They have long thin legs and they have a light body. They can fly well because they have a light body. They also have 2 small eyes. Flamingos live in lakes and rivers all around the world. They eat a lot of water plants and flies. Flamingos can stand on one leg for many hours. The legs they have are strong and their body weight is light. Flamingos do not get hurt by drinking salt water. They can swim, walk, and fly. Flamingos live around 30 years. There are no wild flamingos in Hong Kong. There are some flamingos in Kowloon Park. Thanks for watching the video. Watch it many times to help your writing. Bye-bye.